The Bitcoin price has slumped over 4% today amid a sales-off in broader cryptocurrency market, sparking discussion over the future trajectory of flagship crypto. Amid the recent crash, a prominent crypto market analyst warned over a potential dip to Bitcoin price to $59,000. However, according to several others market experts, this dip may present a lucrative buy opportunity for the market participants. So let's take a closer look at the analysis prediction to understand the current market trend. Analysts predicts Bitcoin price dip to $59,000. The recent decline in Bitcoin price has weighed on the investors' sentiments globally. Given the recent crypto market crash, many are speculating that over the potential scenario of the broader market in coming days. Amid this, a prominent analyst Ali Murtains Amid this, a prominent analyst Ali Murtains shared important Bitcoin analysis. According to Ali, Bitcoin faces two significant sell signals: a death cross between the 15, 50 and 100 SMA and rate 9 candlestick from TD sequential. Notably, if Notably, early analysis suggests that if Bitcoin falls below $63,300, it could plummet to $61,000 or even $59,000, sparking speculation over a potential breach of $60,000 mark. Simultaneously, Kaiko, a on-chain analytical firm, also shared a bearish sentiment, attributing Bitcoin's recent 6% drop in April to geopolitical turmoils, while traditional safe haven assets like gold and US dollars relied. Bitcoin failed to capitalize on market turbulence, fueling concerns over its resilience amidst global uncertainty. Is recent dip flashing a buying signal amid discussions surrounding a potential downturn in Bitcoin price below the $60,000 mark? Market experts are heralding it as a buy signal for the savvy investors, and despite short-term volatility projections after the recent Bitcoin halving event, long-term forecasts paint a promising picture of Bitcoin trajectory. For context, spot on chain analysis powered by the global Google Cloud Vertex AI forecast Bitcoin price fluctuating between $56,000 to $70,000 throughout May, June, and July 2023, with a 48% chance of dipping below $60,000. However, looking further ahead, that they anticipate significant movement in second half of 2024, with a 63% likelihood of hitting 100 $1,00,000 and 42% probability of surpassing 150 $150,000 in first half of 2025. Echoing this sentiment into the block notes that seasoned Bitcoin holders have begun selling off their holding, a trend typically observed at the onset and peak of bull markets. Meanwhile, despite initial concerns, they reassure the investors that this behavior aligns with historical market cycles and states that ample time remains compared to previous cycles. What is next? Crypto coin data reveals a negative trend in Bitcoin Coinbase premium gap, suggesting significant selling pressure from US investor on Coinbase. Notably, as of April 24, the gap stood at minus 33.81. While this sentiment may signal a bearish trend, it presents a potential buying opportunity for investors eyeing Bitcoin at a discounted price. Besides considering the optimistic long-term outlook of Bitcoin, this dip could serve as a strategic entry point for investors aiming to capitalize on a future growth. As of writing, the Bitcoin price as this time Bitcoin price was down 4.39% and traded at 63 $1,486.12, while its trading volume soared at 35.40% and $32.42 billion. This flagship crypto has touched a high of 66,730.43 in the last 24 hours, reflecting the highest volatile scenario in the cryptocurrency market.